In this video, we will learn how to create repeating event in Mozilla Thunderbird inviting attendees. Go to Start and search for Thunderbird. Click on Mozilla Thunderbird to open it. Enter primary password and click on Sign In. Go to Menu. Click on New. Click on Events. Or just simply click on New Event here. First, make sure correct calendar is selected. We want to create event to synchronize with our Google account, so we will select email in our calendar. Now give a title for your event. Let's create an event for birthday party, so type birthday party. Type your location if you want to, else leave it blank. We will type Bhairava. In category we will select birthday. If you want to create event for whole day, you can tick here. In all day events, you can change only date, not time. We don't want to create all day event, so we will untick it. Let's select start date on October 1st from 8 p.m. End date is same. Let's select end time at 11 p.m. We want this event to repeat yearly, so we will select here yearly. We want this event to repeat forever, so leave as it is. I want a reminder for this event before 1 week, so we will select 1 week before in reminder. In description, you can type anything you want to be shown with event notification. I will just type birthday party invitation. Now we want to select attendees to invite at our event. Now click on invite attendees. Type email accounts of whom you want to invite at event. Now you can mark attendees as required, optional, non-participants or as chair. Mark here if you want to invite them as individual, group, research or as room. Let's add some emails here. Click on OK. You can see list of emails of attendees with different icon based on our selection. Let's select privacy as private from here. In attach, you can add link of your event if you have any. We don't want to delete it, so we will click on save and close. Let's go to calendar and check our event. It's here, double click on it to check details. That's all. Subscribe channel, like and share this video.